One sunny day, Codey the Robot was relaxing by the beach. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo. Beep, beep. A message popped up on his screen. Laptop message, help. The baby sharks are lost in the coral maze. Codey said, "Don't worry, baby sharks. I'm on my way. Let's solve this problem together." Sharks said, "We're stuck, Codey. Every time we try to find a way out, we get lost." Codey said, "Don't worry, sharks. To solve this problem, we'll use a step-by-step plan called coding. First, let's look at the maze and think about what's blocking us. This maze is like a puzzle. To solve it, we need to do 3 things. Look at where we are now. Find where we need to go. Write steps to get there." Pinky said, "How do we write steps?" Codey said, "With something called an algorithm. It's like a recipe for solving problems. Let's start simple. Here's our algorithm. If there's a path, we move forward. If there's a wall, we turn right. Watch this." Codey said, "Let's test it. Move forward. Oh, there's a wall. What do we do?" Pinky said, "Turn right." Codey said, "Great job, Pinky. Now let's move forward again. Repeat the steps." They follow the algorithm step by step and navigate part of the maze. Codey said, "This chest has a lock. To open it, we need to solve a riddle. Let's work together. Here's the riddle. What has fins but can't swim?" Bluey, thinking, is it a fish? Goldie said, "No, that can swim. How about a surfboard?" Codey said, "Correct, Goldie. Surfboards have fins, but they can't swim. Let's open the chest." Chest opens to reveal the map to the reef. They follow the map and the algorithm to escape the maze. Codey said, "See? When we break problems into smaller steps and work together, we can solve anything." Bluey said, "Thank you, Codey. You're the best coder ever." Goldie said, "I want to learn coding too. Coding is all about solving problems step by step. You can try this too. Write your own algorithm to solve a puzzle or create something amazing. Keep learning, and don't forget to have fun." Now it's your turn. Draw a maze on paper and create steps to help someone escape. Share your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching. Keep creating and coding. See you next time.